Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? This is Easy Pictures to Draw, and today we're going to go over how to draw Kirby after he ate Mario. A Kirby with a Mario hat. So hopefully you like it. Hopefully it's simple, and it should be simple for anyone to do. Beginners, kids, anything. Grab a marker and let's get started, okay? It's only going to be about, what, five minutes, something like that. Let's do it. So, get any marker, and I'm going to draw the brim of that Mario hat, that famous Mario hat. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw his hand. His hand is pretty much just a ball for the most part, but he does have the gloves. I mean, well, Kirby's hand is kind of like a nub, but since he's swallowed Mario, he has like this glove hand for his nub, which is kind of funny. It's on the other side as well. And then we're gonna go with the back side over here of the hat. Pull in. Circle for his mouth, so he's like, oh, he's shocked. And now I'm going to draw the M, the famous Mario M with the round around it. Now, what I'm going to do right now is what I always do. I always I don't recommend that you do it, but I mean, it's up to you. I like throwing a thick line around the contour. It makes it look kind of that is a Kirby Mario, Kirby swallowed Mario. Thank you so much. I appreciate you watching. I hope you did that with me. It's super easy. If you found it easy, click that like button so I know more, of what to put in here. Also, share the video. If you share the video, that is like giving the world to me. It's amazing. Also, I reply to every single comment. Talk to me, start a conversation, and I'm going to see you next time. Make some requests as well, so that helps. Talk to you soon, guys.